Hi friends, welcome to René Paris. Super excited today to share with you a closer look of our beautiful new wigs from the Amore Collection. So if you're not familiar with the Amore Collection, it is Aderans René Paris, their medical line. So whether you're dealing with hair loss, skin sensitivity, or you just want exceptional craftsmanship in a wig, the Amore line is for you. All our lines are beautiful, but the Amore line is affordable luxury. So I'm super excited to share with you 4 new colors. I'm going to go over the colors, and then I just have a screenshot for you. I didn't, of course, I don't have all 4 colors. I'm sorry. It's hard to keep these in stock. So I don't have all new 4 colors, but I'm going to show you a screenshot. And if you ever want, like if you just want to go to reneaparis.com, now you can follow along with the new colors. The Amore catalog is there, but I'm just going to read you the description of the new colors. So we have Cinnamon Frost R, Melted Sand, Sea Salt Blonde, and Spiced Mocha R. I'm going to show you Spiced Mocha R today. Beautiful colors, absolutely beautiful colors. All the styles that we have today are wonderful, and they are heat friendly. So I just want to repeat that they are heat friendly. And I'm just going to read you the description of the colors, and then I'll show you a screenshot. So Cinnamon Frost R is a warm medium coppery brown base with white blonde highlights. Beautiful color. You're just going to love it. So let's look at Cinnamon Frost R. I know it's kind of hard to see it, but at least it shows you an idea of the color. Cinnamon Frost R, beautiful color. Again, if you want to see a bigger picture of that, go to reneaparis.com. Melted Sand is a rich, warm brown root melts into a neutral blonde tone. So a neutral blonde tone. I love these colors because all skin tones can wear it. Melted Sand. Let's take a look at Melted Sand. And I'm sorry, I wish I had, like I said, you just need to order these. This is Melted Sand. Isn't that gorgeous? Like I said, reneaparis.com if you want to see a bigger picture on a different monitor. Beautiful color. Sea Salt Blonde R is a cool icy blonde with warm dark blonde. Cool icy blonde. I just love cool icy blondes because that is definitely a blonde that I can wear. So let's look at Sea Salt Blonde R. Aren't these gorgeous? Okay, so let me just tell you, like I said, you need to order these because we just can't keep them in stock. Okay, so Spiced Mocha R is a beautiful dark brown base with beautifully placed warm medium brown and medium reddish brown highlights. Absolutely love this color. So I've always loved like a rich brown with not a real heavy highlight. So, I love Chocolate Frost, but look at this color. I hope you can see this. Look at how beautiful this is. And I'll put this on in a minute, but look at the soft highlights that frame the face. Spiced Mocha R. So I will put these, let me start off with this fabulous style. This is Rohan. Again, these are from the Amore Collection. Beautiful, beautiful styles. I'll go over the specs in just a minute, but let me just show you the inside of this wig. Like I said, this is affordable luxury. This has extended lace, hand knotted base here. This is the cap. Look at the stretch on these. If you're new, if you've never seen Amore, we have the adjustments in the back here. Again, this is heat friendly. This is Rohan. Look at this beautiful hand knotted base here. What's really fascinating to me here is you can part this anywhere. So a lot of times we're looking for something that we can part on the right, in the left, in the middle. This is hand knotted, hand tied, single monofilament, extended lace in the front. Let's take a look at this. This is the new color, Spiced Mocha R. Pull this back a little bit. Look how beautiful this is. These are feather light. This is, I can't even feel this. Really, I can't. Look at the beautiful curls. Always remember, this is just, look at, let me see this. Look how beautiful this is here. The color. Spiced Mocha R. This has a beautiful wave to it. Beautiful movement. Feels wonderful. This is just feather light. I cannot tell you how light this is. So the specs on this, the fringe is 8 inches, the crown is 10 inches, the nape is 8 inches, and the weight is 3.7 ounces. This is feather light. Absolutely beautiful, in available more than 20 colors. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to give you one more look at the foundation. Look how beautiful this is. Extended lace. Single monofilament. Heat friendly. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. This is Rohan. Our next style is Mira. I have this in, this is also one of our new colors. This is Truffle Ribbon R. This was one of our new colors from the René Paris line. This is such a beautiful length. I love where this falls. I'll show you in just a minute. Again, exceptional craftsmanship in this, the cap, hand tied. Whoops, sorry. Extended lace, monofilament. This means all this is hand knotted. Look at the gorgeous cap that this has, and I cannot tell you, when against your skin, absolutely gorgeous. Adjustments in the back. This does have stretch. Gorgeous cap, absolutely gorgeous cap. 100% hand tied. That is luxury. This is just beautiful luxury that's affordable. Okay, so let me read the specs. Fringe is 5.5, crown 10.5, nape 2.5. The weight is 3.4 ounces. Available in more than 20 colors. This is Mira from the Amore Collection. Also heat friendly. So let's take a look at this. Gorgeous. I need to pull this back a little bit. Let me pull this back. Look how gorgeous this color is. And I haven't done anything to these styles. These are right out of the box, ready to wear. Look at this color. Look at the beautiful movement in this piece. Absolutely gorgeous. If you just joined, welcome to René Paris. We are looking at the new styles from the Amore Collection. This is Mira in one of our new colors, Truffle Ribbon R. This is just a gorgeous color for someone who, oh my gosh, it's just a beautiful color. If people are transitioning into a gray, this is what my natural hair would look like if I had more of it. More like this. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, now I want to show you this has just been, we have been waiting for a topper like this. This is medium wavy TP mono in medium brown. What I absolutely love about this topper, this is also heat friendly. Look at the base on this. A lot of times when you are wearing a topper and it's not this wide, the clips clip in through here, and maybe we just don't have enough hair in this area. This is an extended base, 7x9, 7x9. And I'm going to put a shorter wig on so you can see, but I just want you to see, I'll place this on so I can show you where the clips fall. Absolutely gorgeous. Monofilament, single monofilament, extended lace. The clips, this is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Bangs are 5.5. The length is 11.5 from the crown. This is also available in over 15 colors. This is, I love the wave on this, and just remember this is also heat friendly. Is this not gorgeous? Look at the craftsmanship on this. People always tell me, you get so excited. I actually do, because I mean, I wear wigs every day. So what I'm gonna do, so you can have an idea of, your hair doesn't have to be exactly this length in order to wear this. You can always have it trimmed, have your hairstylist trim it as well. I'm gonna put nail on. This is one of our, I love this piece. This is Nell. I'm going to put the bangs over just so you can see how wonderful this topper would fit, even with this. If my hair were this length, let me just show you where this would. Sorry. Okay. This is beautiful because you can part it anywhere. That's what monofilament gives you. Absolutely versatility. Okay, so these clips are falling on me here, which is very, very important, because if I were to be wearing this with my bio hair, I would need the clips here, not here. Beautiful movement. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. This is such a beautiful design, available in so many colors. Again, medium brown, heat friendly. Let me take this back off so you can see. Again, we're looking at the new styles from Amore. Absolutely gorgeous. When I tell you that I am just super excited about this foundation, remember, I work with toppers every single day. This is fabulous. Just love it. And then I just wanted, this is brown sable. This is Nell. I just wanted to be able to show you that your hair doesn't have to be exactly this length in order to benefit from this. And let me just show you where this falls. I have, I've worked with ladies that just wear this with the liner, fishnet liner, clip it in, and they love it to wear underneath hats, or it's just, their hair's really, really short and it still looks gorgeous. Isn't this a gorgeous length? You can go so many directions with this. Beautiful craftsmanship. So which are you liking? What's your favorite so far? These definitely are 3 pieces that you need in your crown collection. So I think I'm gonna sign off with my favorite color here. I think this was, I'm just feeling this one. Isn't this gorgeous? This is just such a beautiful style. I mean, and it just falls at the perfect length. And this color, just gorgeous. So again, 2 styles, 1 new topper, 4 different colors. If you want more information, please go to reneappears.com. Please remember to follow us. Go to the YouTube channel if you would like more information. And please remember, it's myself, Danny, we have Abby, and we have Alexander. And we have so many videos that are available for additional information. For all the other information, please go to reneappears.com. I know you love them. Have fun with these. Bye now.